Hi, Janet Hernandez here of Keller Williams. I'm here right now at Proscenium, Rockwell. This is the Sakura Tower, and I want to show you this two-bedroom, 142 square meter unit that's for rent. So come on in. This is the dining area. It's fully furnished and it's been professionally interior designed. So you can see there's like a two-seater couch and two armchairs. So this could sit like 4 or 5 people. And the living room has very elegant furnitures, and it overlooks the Pasig River. Parts of Pasig over there, and Makati, BGC on the other side. Okay, and then over here are 2 bedrooms. This way. Okay, this is the second bedroom. It has 2 twin beds with a study desk and chest of drawers. The bathroom with the frameless glass enclosure. Okay, built-in cabinets with the linens and extra pillows. Nice drawers. This is the powder room. Okay. Right here. It has a master bedroom. With a king-size bed. And the chest of drawers over here. And there's a balcony. Oh, okay. Anyway, it's locked. A writing desk. And another writing desk over there. It's a walk-in closet. It's nice. It lights up when you open it. Okay. Here. And the master's bathroom. Toilets over here. Shower area. Alright, so lovely, cozy home. Over here is the kitchen. This sliding door. Nice cabinets. There's an induction range, oven right here. Brand new 2-door refrigerator and freezer. The maid's room is over here, and there's a heater also for all of the sinks and bathrooms. So yeah, that's it. So if you want to know how much this goes for, call me 0917-893-6106. Janet Hernandez. Thanks for watching. Bye.